We began our journey around 9 p.m., leaving Houston, Texas, under the cover of night. The road ahead was long. Our destination, Seattle, Washington. With Texas being one of the largest states in the U.S., we knew we'd be driving for hours before finally crossing its borders. As the night gave way to dawn, sunrise caught us in Amarillo. The skies were painted in stunning shades of orange and gold, the kind of scene that makes you pull out the camera even after an all-night drive. Our first real stop came at a rest area in New Mexico. I launched the drone to capture the view, cars rolling down the highway, and a train moving slowly across the tracks. It was the perfect way to mark our entry into the Southwest, where the landscapes begin to open wide. After a short break, it was back on the road. From there, it was non-stop driving through Raton and up toward the Colorado border. That's where the next chapter of our journey begins, crossing into Colorado and exploring the Rockies.